Hello bakers, welcome back to a new episode of the Mini Cheesecake series. Today we are whipping up a delightful treat that combines the rich flavors of chocolate, peanut butter, and creamy cheesecake. Get ready to indulge in our irresistible Reese's Mini Cheesecake. Let's dive in. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. For this recipe, I'm using Reese's Puff cereal, but you can use Oreos crumbs as well. In a small mixing bowl, combine your choice of cereal with melted butter using a fork. Line up a muffin pan with some colorful liners. Now, spoon 1 tablespoon of the mixture into each liner and gently flatten it using the back of a spoon or a small glass. And set aside. For the creamy cheesecake filling, start by mixing together cream cheese and sugar. Guys, do you love cheesecakes and you are craving for more? Then check out my Mini Cheesecake Collection, boasting 10 delightful recipes tasted and tested for you. Simply click the link in the description box below, and hey, don't forget to use promo code LIVE20 for an irresistible 20% off. Next, add cornstarch, sour cream, peanut butter, and a pinch of salt. Beat until everything is perfectly combined. And add some vanilla extract. Lightly mix in the eggs. And fold in some chopped mini Reese's until just combined. And now for sure, the decadent peanut butter flavor is really starting to shine. Now carefully spoon the cheesecake batter into each liner, distributing it evenly among the cups. And now these little treats are ready for the oven. Pop them into the preheated oven and bake for about 18-20 minutes or until the cheesecakes are set. Once they are done baking, allow your mini cheesecakes to cool completely. Then refrigerate them for at least 4 hours or until they are nice and firm. Now let's add an extra layer of indulgence with delicious peanut butter ganache topping. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine chocolate, creamy peanut butter, and heavy cream. Microwave the mixture in 30-second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted and smooth. And now for the final touch, let's whip up some chocolate-infused cream to take these mini cheesecakes to the next level. In a bowl, whip together cold cream, icing sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Now let's take our piping game to the next level. Grab 2 piping bags, and for our first bag, fill it with the chocolate peanut butter ganache. And here is a handy trick. Place your piping bag inside a tall coffee cup. Not only does this provide support, but it also keeps your hands clean while filling. For the second piping bag, grab your star pastry tip like M1 from Wilton. And fill it with that delicious chocolate whipping cream. Spoon the ganache over the cold cheesecake. Pipe a generous swirl of chocolate whipped cream onto each cheesecake. Finish off your masterpiece by garnishing each cheesecake with a mini Reese's for an extra pop of flavor and a touch of sweetness. And there you have it, our irresistible Reese's mini cheesecakes are ready to be devoured. Now it's time to taste. I'm gonna peel off the liner, and of course, I'm gonna take a bite. Just look at the texture. It's just perfect. Smooth with Reese's in every bite. The crust cuts easily, adding such a nice crunch. It's pure bliss. This cheesecake is simply heavenly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, happy baking and thank you for watching.